Welcome to Amazon FBA Real Passive Income Strategy. Who I am. I am John Bowser. I am 23 and a graduate of Virginia Commonwealth University. I spent the last 3 years of my life becoming an expert on Amazon, and I work now as an Amazon consultant for small businesses. You can see a track record of material I have put on the internet to establish my expertise. Just Google Black Mirror Reddit and you will see my most popular post. Want to buy an Amazon course? Let me save you $5,000. This post has over 590 upvotes, the equivalent of likes on Facebook in the Reddit community. I have also written the #1 Amazon bestseller in regards to how to sell private label products on Amazon. This book now acts as your textbook for this course, and you receive it for free in the resource section of Lecture 1. Here are our course goals and objectives. The #1 goal of this course is to teach you how to find low competition products, private label them, and properly launch them. We also have several objectives, not in any particular order. The first objective is to create a high converting Amazon listing. The second objective is to learn how to launch products and make these launch results stick. The third objective is to achieve both these goals spending the least amount of money possible. I want to make sure that you're able to supplement your income using Amazon FBA. And don't forget, if you have issues, you can always contact me in discussions or at my support email in the back of my resources section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Lecture 1.